Let's talk about adding fractions together. So when you get fractions that have different denominators, the first thing that you would want to do is to make sure that their denominators are the same. So what we need to find first is what we call a common denominator. A common denominator is a number that can be divided by 3 or 4 without leaving a remainder, and that number in our case is 12, right? So we need to make sure that our denominator here on this side becomes 12, and also on this side as well becomes 12. So let's say for 2 over 3, right? How can we make 3 12? We can make 3 12 by multiplying it by 4, right? And then we have to multiply also the numerator by 4, because we can't just multiply the denominator alone. So if we multiply 2 by 4, we get 8, and then 3 by 4, we get our 12. And then we do it for the other side, which is 1/4, 1 over 4. We want to make sure that this denominator becomes 12. And how does it become 12? Is by multiplying it by 3, right? We multiply both the denominator and the numerator, and then we get 3 over 12. And then after that, we can now add our fractions easily, because now both their denominators are 12. So we just simply say 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12, which then is equal to 8 plus 3, it becomes 11 over 12. So by simply making sure that their denominators are the same, we can just simply now add this and this. But previously we couldn't do that, so you can't just say 2 plus 1 and then you get 3. So you can't do that. So you have to make sure that you equalize your fractions, and that way you can just now simply add because the denominators are the same. So yeah.